Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Ngozi, and the name of my channel is Ngozi Ngozi. This channel is all about fertility, weight loss, health, and beauty tips. We do many things in this channel, so you wouldn't want to miss it. For the first time you're coming, I really appreciate that. Don't forget to click that red subscription button, like and turn on notification bell so you know when next I upload another video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being there. I really appreciate that. Okay, thank you so much for your strong support. In today's video, we are going to be dressing. We are going to make a dress that will help you get a clearer vision. If you are having a problem, as a result of cataracts or whatsoever eye problem you're having, just come over here. Let's talk about this powerful and simple juice that will help you get rid of cataracts and you have a clearer vision. So ingredients we need for today's video is we need we'll be needing onions, and we'll be needing garlic. Sulfur-rich garlic and onions are important for the production of glutathione, an important sulfur-containing protein that acts as an antioxidant for the lens of the eyes. So we are going to use, I'll use one onion because I'm going to make this like this. Now is morning. I'll make this and drink now. Then in the night, I'll make another one and drink. I don't want to keep it in the fridge. I just want to be drinking it fresh. This is 7 days treatment for the eye. Then I will need only 2 cloves of garlic. So now I'm done cleaning my onion and garlic. So just going to cut them and set aside. So the next thing I'm going to be needing is celery. Yeah, we'll be needing celery in this treatment. Celery rich vitamin C provides an instant infusion for the eye cells, sustaining them and helping them reverse or at least halt the advanced disease. Neurons in the brain that send signals to the optic nerves also rely on celery-rich sodium cluster salts because of the improvement to neurotransmitters that the brain. This can also assist the multitude of eye symptoms from basic to extreme. So what we'll be doing right now is that we are going to cut our celery too. I've washed them very well. We need to wash them very clean. So they are clean. I'm just going to cut just like this. I cut the onions, cut them and set aside. Next ingredient we are going to be needing is carrots. Carrots are rich in beta carotene, which the body utilizes to produce vitamin A. They are good for lowering cholesterol levels and yes, for improving vision. Vitamin A helps the eye convert light to a signal sent to the brain, allowing you to see better in low light. So I've already cleaned my carrots. I've washed and cleaned the skin of it, the back of the carrot. So I'm also going to cut them like this. I'm using 1 carrot because I'm just going to drink this juice immediately after doing it. I'm after juice. I'm not going to keep it, or I'm not going to use it to white. I'm going to juice again in the night, but I'll be juicing first one in the night and drink. I'm not going to keep anything. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to put everything inside the blender. Add everything into blender. I'm just going to blend. I'm done juicing. I'm just going to strain it. I'm going to strain the juice from the blender. I'm going to strain the juice. If you have a juicer, you don't have to go through the stress of straining the juice after juicing. Just use your juicer to juice it straight and get the juice. As the juicer will help you to separate the juice from the chaff, so you will not have to go through all this. So here we are. Here is the celery juice for clearer eye. This will help to get rid of your cataract in 7 days. You take this in the morning, take it in the night for 7 days, and you will see the improvement. Okay, so let me know what you feel in the comment section after you have gone through these treatments. Don't forget to share your testimony with us because it works very well. And if you're still watching and you are not subscribed yet, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe to move my ministry to the permanent site. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.